Bird just carried a fish out of the water and it's doing some ritual with it. What are you doing, Bird? Leave that fish alone! Just eat it if you can eat it. That's cruel. So nothing all day. Changed up colours a couple of times. Switched up to a 3.5-inch bloodworm grub. Got me first keeper. Hee. Unfortunately, the GoPro was not turned on because it ran out of batteries. It's undersized, you're not allowed to do that. He can't fit it inside his mouth. He can't fit it inside his mouth.
Did he get it or did he get yours?
He got it. He carried it for about 10 metres until he bloody got it offshore and he's been struggling with it.
And that's nearly died.
Yeah, I know, he's done better than me almost. He can't get it inside his mouth.
No way.
He can't fit it inside his gob.
Alright, he'll have a bit of help.
All competition. That's funny as, I've never seen that before. It's a good catch for him. Yeah, normally they just go him, but I think it's a bit big for him.
You know, in China, they use this for fishing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, they keep them on a chain.
What? So we got one fish in the well, it's about 35. Sort of spewing, I haven't caught anything else today yet, but keep trying. There's a fisho over here, he's apparently just pulled a 40 in front of Sean Higgins, so we shall see if there's other fish around. All else fails, crack a coldie.